I'm just waiting for some people to get in here. We're gonna get started soon though. What's good? It's my first live. We're gonna get started soon.
Yeah, you already know how I'm stepping. Come to the section, Balenciaga, Givenchy. And they neon, so they glow through the dark. Yeah. Just call me the GOAT. And that's it. They can say what they want, but I put all my dogs in position while making commission. I'm in DR chillin', these bitches be on me, these diamonds be glisten. I told them to listen, they ain't wanna listen. This ain't no pandemic, boy, this a pandemic. PPP loans hit like we skimming. Most my niggas up mills, they told me to move to the A and we gon' fuck up this summer. Bitch, you step if I want me a bitch, I gon' pull up the high, the Balenciaga runner. I caught me a wave, the money on the way, now they say that I'm drippin', I look like I'm gonna. But I'm just that nigga, came to the A and I ran up 6 figures. And these niggas gon' hate from the bleachers. If you ain't coachable, then I cannot teach ya. I might go back and run down on the baddest teacher just to show you I don't need ya. I probably fucked on a model bitch, that day I ain't see ya. I did. Niggas gon' trap out that basement, niggas gon' ride with the poles. And if you ain't sporting the way, then you cannot ride with the bros. I came from the bottom, my nigga, and they ain't get nothing to me. That's why I'm go hard at these bitches, they cannot get nothing from me. I get a hood hoe with a message, being self-made is a blessing. I sit in this section with 10K on me, just so they can see that I'm dripping. I can fucking your bitch with a lubricant, I can take over any damn city. And they can't believe I'm really rich, I can't believe they ain't come with me. We ain't got no problem, we rollin' that sticky. We catching them pips so we keep me a blicky. First time in the air, I seen an OG, he backed out a cool 50. I was inspired by the bust down, Richard Millie. Had me thinking about how I came from selling perks in the city. I came from the block to the bucket and now I'm on top of the city. On top of the city. And now I'm on top of the city. On top of the city, on top of the city, on top. And now I'm on top of the city. On top of the city, on top of the city, on top of the city. And now I'm on top of the city. On top of the city, on top of the city, on top. And now I'm on top. Forex niggas, they don't do it like me. I'm the gold on the charts and the voice to the streets. Niggas be talking that talk like they catching these piss, but they ain't got nothing on me. The world know I'm a genius. I feel like LeBron when he first won his chip. I made a way for you little bitty niggas. We mark up the charts and then it's rich up pips. Bitch. Fuck all that shit game. The hood pope. Neighborhood hero. Voice. Whatever the fuck you wanna call it. I'm the hottest in the game, nigga. And I'm rich up pips. Bitch. Yeah. I'm that nigga for sure. I'm that nigga for sure. Yeah. For sure. Yeah. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah.
Let's go, 8.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Young nigga red, yeah, yeah, yeah. Young nigga red, yeah, yeah. I'm a red, yeah. Young nigga red, yeah, yeah. Young nigga rich and he came from the bottom. Fucking that bitch, she look like mulatto. The piss I be catching, that shit be ridiculous. I'm one in million like I hit a lotto. I'm smoking on pressure, I smoke on gelato. I'm walking my truck.
Let's go!
Trading no week, they catch out for the weekend. Bitch. Yeah.
What's good?
Look what we got here.
It's another brick!
Look who just walked in, another bitch. Prada on my feet, I guess I'm proud of all these bitch. Broke bitches acting like they really loving niggas getting old. I be catching pigs, bitches blowing on my phone, so I had to swim my phone. I got niggas talking out their neck, don't forget we came up for the chance. I put 10 lots on this bitch, nigga. My dog like this bitch like a candlestick. Bitch ass niggas better plug in with the plug. I'm a digital trapper, we back on banks. Never needed no love. I'm with the baddest ass Capital. Baby, I be ballin' so hard like I'm Zoe. Yeah, like I'm Zoe. Young nigga rich and he came from the bottom. Fucking that bitch and she look like mulatto. The piss I be catching, that shit be ridiculous. I'm one in million like I hit a lotto. I'm smoking on pressure, I smoke on gelato. I'm walking my charts with my nigga, I'm geeking. Trading no week, they catch out for the weekend. Bitch. Came from the bottom, we came from the stick. I went by the lenses, I went by the blade. I'ma just put that in knowledge. I dropped out of college, I been taking risks. 10 lots deep, 10K withdrawal, Cartier all on my red. 10K gone, little bit broken and flip it again. 20 lots deep, I need a Benz.
Let's go! I hope y'all fuck with the Forex music. Let's go.
I'm hitting TP, that's every day. Walk up the charts and then I'm getting paid.
Let's go. Man, let me see who's on here though. Only thing about this, I can't see the chat. I literally have no idea how to see the chat. I'm new to this. I'm new to this. But we gonna look at some shit, man. We gonna look at some shit. I don't know. It's probably only 3 on here, but I don't care. Let's see. I probably should have made an announcement, said I was going live, but I didn't, so whatever. What's up? Okay, I'm gonna just see the chat from my phone. Cause yeah, that's how we gonna do it. All right, so Sunday analysis. Welcome to my first Sunday analysis, where I'm just basically gonna give my predictions and stuff like that. So I don't know if you guys seen my post. I don't know if you guys seen my post about what do traders do on the weekends. Fundamentals. That's what I do on the weekends. Fundamentals. So I literally search up like mad news articles and analysis that they put on. So I'm gonna just show you the websites that I use and that I read from. So it helps my analysis at the end of the day. So Forex Factory, you already know. So this is very simple though. All I do is I come over here and I'm in the chart right now, but oops, news. Okay. And this filter right here, I just click on this filter right here and I just put the folder on red because that's really the only news I really care about, news that's going to affect the markets. So if there's nothing right now, should be something coming up. Okay, so September 20th, CAD and AUD pairs is going to be affected. Federal election, monetary policy meeting minutes. So, I just be clicking on here and just reading it real quick. Voters will elect 338 members to a Parliament of Canada, from which a government will be formed every 4 years with snap election possible in between. The winners will likely be projected before the official vote count is announced based on early vote counts and exit pollings. So I just pay attention to all this stuff. If you guys don't like Forex Factory, I really do like this website as well. This is called Forex Pro. So what they do is they give their analysis and stuff like that. So look, they give their forecast for different pairs and stuff like that. So Euro USD forecast and weekly analysis, September 20th, 24. I click on it. And literally they show like their predictions, which is pretty accurate, And also, they do it for cryptos, indices, commodities, and stuff like that. So I'm about to just go to odd forecast. Yeah, so hold on, let me go to my charts. It's AUD USD. And I had already done marked this up. And this is what they're talking about right now. I'll just read it real quick. So, currency pair Australian dollar to US dollar, AUD USD ends the trading week near the 0.7272 area. The pair continues to move within the fall in the downtrend channel. So this channel right here, they just continuing that, and then it hit this resistance area. It looks like it's going to hit this resistance area and fall back again. So that's where we're at right now. So yeah, and that's what it actually did. They ended up doing that. So this is what I'm doing right now on AUD USD. Literally, it's just a channel, it's just a trend. So I literally just marked up my key areas right here on higher time frames. As you guys can see, this is support and stuff like that. I mark that up. I'm just following the channel, and I go here. And since we're in a downtrend, I just use my fib. And you guys are gonna see like how I use my fib on a Fibonacci video that drops tomorrow. But basically, from the high to the low, let me zoom this in a little bit more for you guys. Okay, so I'm basically predicting it to come up here to one of these areas, the 0.382 area, the 50 or the 618. So that would be somewhere around here. Okay, so if it comes somewhere around there, my favorite tool. If it wants to come up here, anywhere near this box, I'm selling. Because, reason why is because boom, it's my Fibonacci retracement area, and if we go back and use the Fibonacci on the other moves, we can see it. Look, from the high to the low, it comes right up back up to the 618 and drops tremendously. Let me see who's on this live. 5 people. All right, so it drops tremendously, like literally as soon as it hits this point, which is why I marked up this green area right here. You know, so I'm just playing the same game here. Waiting for price to come back up here. Waiting for price to come back up here, literally. And, you know, Forex, you know, it's a game of patience. So, you know, rookies, they're probably already in this sell. You know, they seen it just break this area right here, and they're like, oh my God. Drop, it's about to drop. I bet you all these people that sold right here, every one of these people about to witness some crazy drawdown. Every one of these. Because everybody's going to be waiting for that retracement area. And that's that. And then once I do get the retracement, if everything happens how I want it to happen, you know, I'll just put my stop loss above the retracement area. Oh, yeah. I'll just put my stop loss above the retracement area. And then, boom, catching at least 25 pips. So that's odd right now. That's odd USD, my prediction. It's going to be going down. Look at the higher time frame. Well, that's just a trade I'm going to be taking. And then after that, you know, I'll just move from there. You know, this is a key area though, but it already broke. It already disrespected it. So I'm projecting it to come back up and drop down, do its little thing, get a good bullish bar up here and drop down. Let's see the comments. This is the 4 hour now. But I was taking this trade based on the 1 hour. This Fibonacci trade right here. I'm going to wait for the pullback. If we get one. We've been getting a pullback this whole time. That's why I'm waiting on the pullback. This whole trend right here has been perfectly pulling back. So I'm waiting for the next pullback so I can get my sell. So all in all, oh wait, and I've been waiting to use this. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I've been waiting to use this.
Yo, I'm my body.
I'm rich off these pips.
Yeah, I'm rich off these pips.
and take my sell. So all in all, this is a sell. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm testing my sound effects. I'm testing my sound effects. Yeah, I'll give you guys one. When we smash TP.
TP1 smashed!
Wait, hold on.
Another brick!
All right, so enough games. Odd, USD, sell. Let me see what pairs y'all want to see in the chat. Any pairs y'all want to see in the chat, you know. I'll just keep looking at whatever I want to look at. If ain't nothing special in the chat, I'll just keep looking at what I want to do. Hold on.
Another brick!
Another brick!
Another brick!
All right, since y'all ain't saying nothing, I'm gonna just look at what I want to look at. All right. Oh man, all CAD. Oh my goodness, I have a video. I know I'm not gonna do all CAD because I did all CAD in my video that's about to drop tomorrow. And I did this as well. As you guys can see, man, this TP was smashed.
TP2 smashed!
This is gonna be fun. Oh my god. I should have been doing this, y'all. What the hell? I ain't never used that tool in my life. All right, so yeah, so all CAD. Let's see what's the scoop on all CAD, this story. All right, so all CAD is just starting to go up right now, go up crazy. And, you know, when I place my fibs here, it looks like this is the retracement that's happening for this large move. Or, well, actually, my fault. For this move. Looks like it's the retracement for this whole move right here. And that's why everybody started buying, because this is the 50 level where most of the retracements happen. Forex Prince catching them pips. What's up? So yeah, this is the retracement area right here on this 50. I'm gonna go ahead and mark it up for you guys. Literally right here. Like, this is where everybody would just start buying. So this is buying. Like, this is a buy for the week, because everybody's trying to push the market up. This is the retracement area. Everybody sees it. So that's why this thing has been moving like this. We go back to the 1 hour, and I really did analysis on this on my video that's dropping tomorrow. But look at this. Like, basically, if you would have took buys up here, just nothing but TP smashed. TP smashed. And I think TPs are going to continue to be smashed all week long. Smash. TP1.
TP1 smashed! TP2 smashed! TP3 smashed!
All week long. That's what I'm doing. All right. Just pay attention to the pullbacks, though, when you're trading this, because there definitely will be. Just be mindful of that. You can go into your, I was hitting a whole bunch of TPs, but yeah, you know, this is a channel right here. It just broke this channel right here, though. Ooh. It just broke. It broke and retested, and it's on the up and up. So I'm just gonna wait for a retracement, and then I will go for another buy. that's my analysis on that. If we're going for the long term. Let's see what else we got. If you guys see like my color coordinated pairs and stuff, my watch list, it's because these are like the pairs I've been seriously watching. These light blue pairs. We could do gold too though. Like, you know, I am on gold's ass. I am on gold's ass right now. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let's see. Sound effect. Oh my god. It's dope. But thank you everybody on the live coming out, you know, just to, you know, come chill and get some analysis real quick. All right, so for gold, I did a top-down analysis for this, so that's why my chart looks like this. Top-down analysis from the monthly to the weekly and everything. So I just monthly resistance is really my monthly highs and lows and stuff like that, and weekly key areas and daily key areas and stuff like that. And I wrote down a couple things in this lower time frame. But when I trade gold, I'm not really holding it for long term. I'm scalping it and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna show you guys a setup how I was scalping this joint. Okay. All right, so basically on a 5-minute chart, we had this rally up and then hit this resistance key area. Okay. Broke the previous daily low. And that was this. So what that basically means is when it breaks the previous daily low, that means, you know, it's basically going up. So seeing all that support going on right there. And I know that there's a lot of people scalping gold. And great thing about fibs is you can use it on every time frame. So, you know, I'm seeing this rally up, and I'm pulling out my fibs for everything. Like this is the fib retracement area, right in this zone right here. 0.82, 0.5, 0.6818. I'm in my fib retracement area, which is why I drew this little box, which I call my fib buy zone. And I really do not want to go too much into this because I'm really dropping this video tomorrow, which goes way more in depth with everything. And I promise you, it's probably the best Fibonacci video online. Like, it's too much sauce. But long story short, retracements at this fib area. Okay, so I'm expecting, since we just broke our daily low and stuff like that, I'm expecting it to retrace this fib area and either come up and come down and continue this downtrend that it's been going on, or it's actually going to retest this fib zone, go up, test that, and go up. Okay, retest this daily key area, because look, this daily key area is always a reaction at this point. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. So I'm waiting for it to break. I'm waiting for either a reaction up here to go down or up. We'll know with the price action for sure, but based on it breaking the previous low, because if the trend would have continued down, it wouldn't have broke. It would have been a lower daily low than this one. So that's why I believe it's going up. And then that's how I'm going to scalp gold. The market opens, I'm just going to follow it from there and see what happens. was looking at your options video period when will you do live option videos. Thank you for such a detailed description of the indicator, etc. But still having problems mastering one. Compound daily interest plan. I don't know when I'm gonna go live and do that. I think I might just drop videos on this. Like this live thing, this is brand new. Like I don't know, I don't really do this, but I think I'm gonna start doing this like every Sunday. If that's cool with y'all. XRP. Oh my God, I made money off of XRP this week. So I'm gonna show you guys how and what I think is gonna happen next. So we can get what?
Another brick!
Another brick!
Another brick!
Another brick! Alright, so let me go back to my. Alright, so obviously I did a top-down analysis here too. Move this on my way. Alright, monthly lows, monthly highs, all that. Did everything. Boom. So we had a key area right here. That's what these blue lines is. The price always reacts at these areas. Always crazy reactions. So came up here again, made an M pattern. Let me zoom in real quick. Made a double top. Boom. Get some simple market structure and drop. Right. So ever since then, I've been following this thing. And then it decides to break. And you know, if you know your stuff, you know how to really trade these. You know, these breakouts after the channel. So, you know, when I'm trading, I look at the perspective. I look at it. You know, what would other traders do? How are other traders marking up their charts? So I know off rep, since people are trying to trade the Fibonacci retracement, I'm grabbing my fib again. Like, I love the fib. I love the fib. Give me the fib. Yeah. All right, so boom. So I know people are going down here. People are putting their fib right here and bringing it to the low. Okay, I know that people are seeing fib resistance. I mean, they're trying to get the pullback right here at this area, and that's why we're having sells right now. Because when people put their fib from right here to right there, this is the fib retracement area. So you're always gonna have sells at fib retracement areas. That's just what it is, and that's what's going on right here. Even when price broke right here, this little trend up here, and we could go into our lower time frames, 30-minute, just to get more candlesticks. No, scalpers, they put their fib from right there, and then boom, look where the fib retracement is at. That box that I drew. So, actually, let me show you guys something. All right, so look, this candlestick right here. Let me get my tool. This black candlestick right here, this bearish candlestick, this retraced right to our 382. Like literally right on it. And then as soon as it did that, price shot up. And it went all the way up here. But what didn't happen was we didn't get a higher high. So people started selling. And that's why we are where we are now. Because we didn't get that higher high on the fib retracement. And now, because we didn't get that higher high on the fib retracement, people pulled out their fibs on this downtrend. And they seen that, boom, this is the resistance area. So they're trying to get the pullback of the fib resistance. And it's happening. It came up to 618 right here. And it dropped again and again. So when price doesn't make that higher high like that, it's pretty much good riddance. And it's dropping, it's tanking. Cryptos is falling anyways. Like cryptos, like when I see price action on cryptos, like it definitely is dropping. Like when I see bearish price action on cryptos, like it's definitely dropping, bro. Cause you know cryptos is hurting right now anyway. So I'm taking advantage of the sell opportunities for cryptos. So after this, you know, we had this little fall right here. This is the pullback right now. I'm literally not getting into the market until it comes up to either here, here, or here. Oops. Literally. Don't rush it. And a lot of reasons why a lot of people lose is because, boom, they'll see this, then this looks like this little candlestick right here, this looks like a crazy trend reversal on the lower time frames. Like I could go to it right now. People going to little MT4s. This little move right here, I promise you, looks like a crazy trend reversal. And then we get our rally up right back to the fib area where people start, you know, selling. Because, you know, cryptos are selling anyways, and it just hit the fib area. So that's my XRP analysis. I think it's going to continue that. What y'all think? Y'all think it's another brick? You guys think it's another brick? Like,
Another brick.
is it another brick?
Another brick.
Or not? So I'm not getting no trade setups until you know, I literally see price come up and do what I wanted to do. You know, I could put my, or you know, what you could do is you could place sell limits here and stuff like that. You definitely could place some sell limits at a couple of places that I, you know, a couple of things I just marked up here. Place a sell limit, like you place sell limit like at these levels. Boom. 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 You know what I'm saying? Split up the lot sizes and, you know, do it that way, and then you can have your stop loss, you know, somewhere. Oops. Something like that. You know what I'm saying? One stop loss could be like this. And, you know what I'm saying? One trade could be like that. One trade could be like this. Unless you don't want to trade with a stop loss. But either way, I think it's falling. But you got to wait for the retest. And it's coming. Coming soon. Coming soon. XRP. All right. What else we want to look at? Let me write this down so I remember. It's a sell. Don't be fooled. Another brick. Let me see. I'm gonna play some trading music.
TP1 smack.
Oh, I didn't mean to play that. I'm gonna play some trading music while I forgot what the hell I wanna look at.
You on my body. Can't reach off these pips. I swear none of you niggas is trading. None of you niggas is trading though. I do not track. still getting paid. I'm rich OT pips, nigga self-made. You was sturdy, put in pain. I'm hitting CP, that's every day. Walk up the charts and then I'm getting paid. I walk up the charts and then I'm getting paid. If you wanna lead, then lead, little bitch. A young nigga self-made. This is not Polo, this Christian Dior. A young nigga self-paid. I'm all in this section, we copping them bottles. I come through and fuck the whole city up. These bitches, they fucking, they see all the drip. I told the little bitches come lick me up. Hop off the plane, whole gang got chains. No cap, Eliante gon' trip me up.
So
Diamonds is bustin', I'm flexing brigades. My nigga ain't nobody rich as us. I'm flipping these stocks like bricks. Cocaine or Bitcoin, little bit. I really trade a little bit. And that's on the gang, little
Yeah, you already know how I'm stepping.
alright, so
Section, Balenciaga, Givenchy,
Euro odd.
and they neon, so they go
Ooh,
through the
shit.
dark.
Euro odd.
Through the gold.
I marked this up, and this is 4-hour time frame. Support and resistance.
They can say what they want, but
Key
I put all my
areas
dogs in
marked
position
up.
while making commission. I'm in the art chilling. These bitches be
Sample.
on me, they diamonds be glisten. I told them to listen, they ain't wanna listen. This ain't no pandemic, boy. This a
I'm
pandemic.
just following the
PPP loans hit
story.
like we skimming.
The
Most my
fifth
niggas
story.
up nails. They told me to move to the A. We gon' fuck up this summer. Beat your stepper if I want me a bitch. I gon' pull up the high.
chase may happen,
I
but
caught me a wave, the money on the way. Niggas
failed.
say that I'm dripping. I look like I'm gonna, but I'm just that nigga. Came to the A and I ran up 6 figures. And these niggas gon' hate from the bleachers. If you ain't coachable, then I
Again,
can't teach ya. I might
following
go
the
back
trend line perfectly.
just to show you I don't need you. I probably fucked on a model bitch that day I ain't seen.
And look, it retraces right at the 382.
And if you ain't sporting away, then
This area that I marked up already as resistance. It retraced it.
you ain't get nothing to me. That's why I'm go hard.
So
They can't not get nothing.
I'm expecting.
I get a hood.
Look, there's already self-pressure
Being
there. So
self-made is a blessing. I sit in this section with 10K on me just so they can
We'll
see
see.
that I'm dripping. I can fuck in your bitch
We'll
with
see if this trend is strong enough to break this fib
can't believe I'm really
resistance that I call. But
we catching them pips, so we keep me a blicky. First time in the air, I seen an OG. He backed out a cool 50. I was inspired by the buzz down. Richard Millie had me.
I think it'll fall just like it did right here.
I came from the block to the bucket, and now I'm on top of the city.
That's history.
And now I'm on top of the city. On top of the city. On top of the city. On top. And now I'm on top of the city.
That's what I think is gonna happen.
And now I'm on top of the city. On top of the city. On
Go
top of the
into
city.
the-
On top. And now I'm on top. Forex niggas, they don't do it like me. I'm the golden on the charts and the voice to the streets. Niggas be talking that talk like they catching these piss, but they ain't got
Especially
nothing
if
on
you
me.
look at
The
it,
world
you
know
know.
I'm a genius. I feel like LeBron
Oh,
when the first one is chill. Little bitty niggas, we mark up the charts and then it's rich up tips.
This is another website where I like to look at news and stuff.
I'm the best Forex rap in the game, the best entrepreneur rap in the game. The hood pope, neighborhood hero, voice. Whatever the fuck you wanna call it.
It's another website I like to look at the news and stuff like that.
Popped up out my bed, turned my charts on, took a look at the pips is going up. Yeah, we getting money.
Euro pairs shares fall for third week in a row. Mine is worst hit. I don't think so. I think it's
Wipe the crust out. We about to mark the charts up to get a bust down. Put my Fibonacci on and wait for it to retrace.
Not
They was
jacking.
about to jump up in that trade. I told them, please wait. Please wait. Please wait. Don't jump up in that
Keep
trade.
falling
Wait
at this.
for that retrace.
We'll see. I need price action confirmation for real. They ain't looking too good. I'm going up for this trade right here.
Nigga, I'm getting that money like every day. We counting residuals, you niggas pitiful working for that dollar. I'm popping my collar, I ain't working, I ain't no blue collar. I'm rich with these pips, I'm getting that white money. But
Man, I'm gonna invite more people. How do I feel about using autofit? That's a good question. I don't use them. Because I like to put my figs where I like to put them at.
Bitch, I'm catching pics. Put the Dolce and Gabbana on that bitches on my dick. I don't give a fuck, need it all. Can I split?
But I'm gonna invite more people. Like literally nobody even knows I'm on this live right now. Like I literally just started it. No announcement, no nothing. But next time I'm gonna just, tell everybody I'm going live. And it'll be cool.
Turn my
I just want to really test out how this works for real. And I'm gonna end this like a US 30 for real.
Hopped up on my bed, turn my charts on, took a look at the business going up. Yeah, I'm getting money.
Okay, so yeah, I did a lot of crazy stuff on US 30. I know. Okay, we've been in the price, and it broke. Okay, but hold on, before I break this down, let me put on some more music, some more. All right, so US 30 put in pain. We look at this.
I'm on my charts and I'm using stochastic. Look at my chain, man, I'm feeling fantastic. See that bad bitch had to take off my glasses. You on my body, I'm liking my chances. Young nigga trick had to cop me a mansion. Whipping that bitch when I brought out the demon. Took a little bitch and she shopping at Neiman's.
Literally, I had to mark up the daily trend line. I had to mark up the daily trend line because price is falling down, man. Usually nobody cares about the daily, but you gotta mark up the daily too because it'll come back to those areas eventually. And it's coming back to that key area. Finally, after going on this crazy rally up. So now we're all waiting, the whole world is waiting to see what it's about to do. Me, I think it's gonna bounce up because it's US 30, right? You know? So look, 4 hour, it breaks this support right here, right there, breaks. Boom! And then we have, when it breaks the support, we have a price channel here. 4 hours, let's go into our 1 hour. It kind of goes through this little support and resistance type thing. Okay, so I'm looking for this to go up. I'm looking for it to go up around this area and have a tight stop loss, something like this. Okay, but I think it's gonna go down some more before it does. It could. This is a key area right here, though. This red line, it could just start pushing up right now. Who knows? Could just enter just like this. Real talk. Really could, for real. Really could enter just like this. Is this a signal? For real, for real. Or do I want to be patient to see if it breaks this structure right here, this red, structure? I didn't really expect to give, no signals for real. But let's see. If it does, it'll come back to this area. It'll come back to one of these fib areas and drop down again. But this is the 1 hour, y'all. The price action is looking nice right now. If it closes like this, above this candle, price action closes above this candle right here, that might be a sign for me to, enter. I ain't gonna lie. Bearish to bullish is definitely that signal that, we need. And I could, turn on my TDI, look at the momentum. I've been doing all this without even indicators, for real. Look at my RSI, actually. Okay, so basically, oops, let me pull this. So it keeps hitting my RSI support right here. And right here, it hit it already. Ooh, this shit out my way. Right there. Whatever, you guys can see it. It hits that green line twice. Okay, so it's looking like, it could be a possible trend reversal. But we gotta see. We gotta see if this happens. We're gonna see what happens when it hits this fib retracement area, which is right here. We gotta see what's gonna happen when it come up here. Is it gonna come down again? And if it does, that's fine with me, because I'll just get a better entry. You know, if it's gonna come up here and fall again, make another lower low, or is it finally going to break? Because so many people believe in this area right here, and that it, you know, it's US 30. It's gonna come up here and finally do its thing. Me personally, I wanted to come down here and drop all the way down to this trend line area right here, where I marked up on the 4 hour. I mean the daily support. I wanted to go all the way back down to the daily support, and then I can catch a crazy trade like this, risking very little. You guys see the picture. That's what I want to do. And I swear I will hold that US 30 all the way up. I swear I will. I swear it. So how's it looking, guys? Is it looking like another brick?
Another brick.
Do that, you know what I'm saying? TP1, TP2, TP3, TP3. I can see it already.
I'm hitting TP, that's every day. Walk up the charts and then I'm getting paid.
That's pretty much it. Like, I think I done went through everything and stuff like that. US 30. We just gotta wait to see what it does at that area right there. Market just opened, so we gotta give it time. You already know.
I do not trap, nigga, I trade. I'm on my ass and still getting paid. I'm rich on these pips, nigga self-made. US 30 put in pain. I'm hitting TP.
But I think it's a long-term buy. Definitely a short-term sell, long-term buy.
I walk up the truck and then I'm getting
Definitely a short-term sell, long-term buy.
A young nigga self-made. This is not Polo, this Christian Dior. A young nigga self-paid. I'm all in this section, we copping them bottles.
So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna end this. Thank you everybody for coming out. This was the first Sunday analysis on my YouTube. You guys are the foundation. Thank you everybody who's been supporting me. Watch out for the Fibonacci video tomorrow, because oh my god, I know you guys seen I used it a lot today. So guys, watch that Fib video. It's gonna be crazy. Alright, so appreciate you guys for coming out.
We getting money and we taking trips and you still copping packs and you know that we flipping.